In this video, I'm going to show you how to trim a video in Kapwing. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to add in the video, you want to trim, and then you want to click on it to select it. And when you do that here on the right, you want to go to the Edit tab up at the very top, and you want to click on Trim. Now, in here, you'll be able to trim your video. So, for example, you could go ahead and set times down here at the bottom, or you could go ahead and, of course, do it yourself by just dragging it like this, and it's going to basically allow you to then see where you currently are to actually like review this. And let's say I want to start it over here. I can just go ahead and drag this like that. And as you can see, I'm now over here at this point. So at around 16.2 seconds. And I can go ahead and just change the end as well. And let's say I want this to end at around 52 seconds like this. And of course, you could be very precise. You could type it in yourself if you want to over here, just like this. And then you can be as precise as you wanna. You can go ahead and drag it, or you just type it in yourself. Whenever you're happy, click on trim, and that's going to trim your video to that desired length. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.